Hi guys, welcome to my show. Today, I will be showing you how to fix the common stuck on logo problem that many laptop users encounter. I know or maybe you have experienced this, so I have prepared the solution for you. There are three possible reasons for this issue. Number one is the software and drive problem. Two is the hardware problem. And number three is the BIOS setting. So let's do the fix for this. Step one, turn off your laptop. So before doing anything on your laptop, you have to power it off. Number two, the step two is to open the back cover. Please note that some laptops can be quite challenging to disassemble, and maybe it can take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour to unscrew the various layers of the laptop, the parts of the laptop. I've experienced unscrewing and removing the layers of the laptops for more than an hour, and I recommend you to replace your HDD with an SSD. So this laptop has HDD and I'm going to change it to SSD because SSD is a faster drive that improves program loading times and overall laptop performance. Upgrading to an SSD can greatly enhance your laptop's capabilities. However, be sure to choose a genuine or original brand to ensure reliability and longevity of your SSD. I know a lot, and there are many affordable but unreliable products in the market. It's best to choose only or invest in one that will truly serve the purpose of what you bought of the SSD. So after that, close the back cover and tighten the screws. Then you can then power on your laptop. Let's now proceed with the operating system installation. And let us not forget the Microsoft Office. It is very important, especially to those students and who are working. Please note that the installation of this program may take some time and it requires patience. Make sure you have the product key, prepare it, or the license for your operating system to efficiently use the program. During the installation, you have to select the preferred settings that you want and provide your laptop's name. What's your name? Put it there. And follow the prompts until the installation is complete. And tada! We're done. Let's place a copy of the Office applications on the desktop for an easy access to the application you need. Let's check if this window is activated. Alright, as you can see, this is activated. This is not pre-activated, but this is fully activated, meaning we have the license to use this product. And finally, the last part, we'll install the necessary drivers to ensure the laptop's functions properly. No? So, to confirm that all drivers have been installed, you have to check it on the settings. Open the device manager to check it. Make sure that there is no red padamdam. Ano bang padamdam? So, yeah, exclamation mark on that drivers, on those drivers. And now, wow, we're done. We have successfully completed the process. Your laptop now is ready to be used for its full potential, and hopefully it could serve you effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment sections, in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful technical tips with me. And yeah, I'll be hoping to see you again soon on the comment box. Thank you.